The governor of Tripura, Indra, Sena, Reddy, Nallu attended the 133rd episode of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Mann Ki Baat at the Boxanagar High Secondary School premises on Sunday. The governor was accompanied by local MLA Tafazul Hossain, Additional District Magistrate Upendra Jamatia, SP Bijoy Debarma and Education Director Rajiv Datta. Following the broadcast, the governor interacted with the public, highlighting the Prime Minister's praise for Tripura's bamboo industry and his emphasis on the Vocal for Local initiative.
It benefit the self-help groups of Boxanagar. In Tripura, who have taken Prime Minister Modi's message of Vocal for Local to heart. Our Tripura brand bamboo products are now reaching Delhi and Bombay thanks to the exposure your program provides. The Prime Minister believes in citizens, young generations. He believes that among you, right here in Boxanagar, Sifaijala district, Tripura, there is a future scientist, a future leader, a future change maker.
Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, देश के अनेक राज्य.
Reported by Musharraf from Boxanagar, Chini, Khorang.